Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. I hope you are doing well. This is Hisense WF1Q8041BW. Just gonna give you a quick overview of this washing machine. This is Hisense Serial 1 8 kg front loading washing machine with a 1400 RPM spin speed. It is designed for everyday family laundry. 8 kg capacity, handles roughly 40 t-shirts or full double duvet, making it ideal for 2 to 3 person household. Energy and running cost, A-rated efficiency, keep electricity use low, and the 1400 RP spin extract more water than standard 1200 RPM machines, so clothes spend less time in the dryer. This gear got programs, 15 tailored cycles, including cottons, synthetics, delicates, and wool. The Allergy Care program runs at higher temperatures with extended rinsing to remove bacteria, dust mites, and detergent residue useful for sensitive skins or baby clothes. Stain wash injects stain into the drum to penetrate fabric fibers. This helps lift stubborn stains and reduce creasing, less ironing after cycle finishes. A quick wash, a 15-minute cycle for lighter soil item, plus a 24-hour delayed start, so you can set it to finish whenever you wake up or get home. Controls and display. Simple LED display with physical button controls. No touch screen, just straightforward program section. In terms of the motor and noise, equipped with durable inverter motor, fewer moving parts, less wear over time. Noise level is 74 decibel, roughly the same as normal conversation on a quiet vacuum cleaner. Dimension and installation. The height is 84.5, width 59.5, and diameter 51 centimeter. This washing machine weighs roughly about 60 kg. Cold water filled only, including child lock for safety. You got 2 years manufacturer's warranty. I ordered this online. I'm going to unbox it for us to see what is inside. I like the color, white and black color. This is the pack, user's operation manual. And also you have with flat screw. So guys, at the back of this washing machine, there are 4 bolts you need to unscrew with the flat screw that came with the washing machine. Those 4 bolts secures the drum for transport. So you need to unscrew those 4 bolts with the flat screw included. This is the power cable, and this is the pipe. This is the unboxing. Now open this up. See what it looks like. So we also have hose included in the packaging. This is the control. This is where the water goes, and also the soap. Steam converter, 8 kg. Washing machine, auto, allergy steam, baby steam care, sportswear, down, rinse plus spin, drum clean, off, eco 40 to 60, cotton, synthetics, mix, wool, quick 15, power 49 and 30. So temperature we show here, spin, quicker, options, delay end, and start and pause. So you press this button, start and pause, and these are controls. So this is Hisense. Thank you very much